Lockdown 2.0. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Like I said before, we're back in lockdown 2.0, which means unfortunately Malaysia has gone into an MCO or another lockdown. Loads of places are deserted. The only benefit of this one is we are now in a house and we can actually travel out in groups of 2 as long as we're from the same household. Just driving around the local area, I've seen that houses have been deserted by people that have to go and work in Singapore. The houses have just been completely abandoned, their cars have been abandoned, and basically it's just not looking great. Loads of people are going to be going into states of depression and having issues with mental health, just like last time. I mean, it's only been 10 months since the last MCO. So all we can really do is just try and find ways to stay positive. Loads of people have been trying to find different ways to do this. Myself, I've been trying to keep fit, going out and running. Basically what I did last lockdown, but this time I feel like we're prepared for it. We are in a really nice little area here, so you've seen one of the other videos where I showed you where I'd moved house, and we can walk around and we can do stuff. I went down to the harbour earlier on and literally there's just been like yachts just abandoned because people can't go out in them, people can't do anything. Unfortunately that's the state of the country at the moment, but I suppose the government is doing what it thinks is best, and what probably is best to try and bring the cases of COVID-19 down again and try and save some lives. Hopefully the vaccine's going to work soon and hopefully life can go back to normal. But I just want this video to try and inspire people to stay positive, keep yourselves happy, and try and make it through the next few months. So one of the things I've been doing is learning to skateboard. Obviously you've seen the skate video before. I'm trying to reteach myself how to do it. Hence why I'm going quite slowly now, because I don't want to crash with the GoPro, although that would be quite funny. So I've been learning to do new things like skateboarding. I've been getting fit. I've been practicing my editing stuff with the Premiere Pro. Just basically learning new things. And it's definitely been a way to pass the time and sort of keep me in a mentally strong place, I suppose. Yeah, oh crap, I'm gonna get hit by a car. So I have had to makeshift a studio slash office out in the middle of the dining room table because my wife is currently using the studio for her actual job. So basically this video was aimed at people who may be struggling with some mental health issues, maybe they've lost a job, it could be anything. Basically it's just saying, just keep positive, keep your mind occupied, and really try and get yourself through the next few months, because we will get back to normal, things will improve, and that's what everyone needs to remember. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Obviously there's not going to be as many videos coming out because it's a travel vlog and I can't travel. Can't even leave the house really, apart from when I'm going to the shops. So basically guys, yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all next time.